Will Johnny Depp ever have a second marriage? In addition to his extensive history of flings, Johnny Depp has been engaged more times than we can count. But he's still coping with the effects of his contentious union with Amber Heard. Do not anticipate this actor to get married anytime soon, despite rumors that he has returned to the dating scene. This is why, in 2015, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard were married, but it wasn't the third time's the charm. Though it may be his most well-known union, it wasn't even his first. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor has had numerous relationships with well-known women and has been married twice. From 1883 to 1885, Johnny initially wed cosmetics artist Lori Ann Allison. He later got married to actresses Jennifer Grey and Sherilyn Fenn in the 1980s after they got divorced. Though they were never married, Johnny eventually proposed to his Winona Ryder co-star from the film Edward Scissorhands in 1990. Later, from 1994 to 1988, the 22 Jump Street alum dated model Kate Moss. But Vanessa Paradis, a French actress, was the subject of one of his longest marriages. They started dating in 1988 after meeting. In 1999, the couple had a daughter named Lily Rose and a son named Jack. Despite spending more than 10 years together, the pair never got hitched. In the end, Johnny and Vanessa parted ways in 2012. After they split up, Johnny started dating actress Amber Heard, whom he had met while working on the 2011 movie The Rum Diary. Amber filed for divorce the following year, claiming the actor had abused her during their relationship, after the couple wed in 2015. Despite the fact that Johnny and Amber's brief marriage ended in 2016, their legal dispute has not yet been resolved. Johnny sued Amber for libel in 2022, and a jury heard his $1 million case. The actress had long claimed that her ex-husband had abused her, even going so far as to accuse him in an opinion piece for the Washington Post without naming him. However, Johnny went on to accuse Amber of libel in Virginia the next year. A 7-member jury decided in favor of Johnny after a public trial that lasted for several weeks, and found Amber's assertions to be untrue. Johnny received $5 million in punitive damages in addition to $10 million in compensatory damages. In a countersuit brought against Johnny for slanderous remarks made by his legal team, Amber was given $2 million. She made several attempts to challenge the jury's verdict, and it has since been reported that Johnny is attempting to reverse the outcome of her countersuit. If Amber persisted in seeking to reverse the jury's verdict, his team had previously threatened to pursue Amber's victory. Soon after, court records showed that Johnny's group was actually contesting Amber's countersuit victory. It's safe to assume that Johnny has experienced a lot in recent years regarding his romantic life, and it makes sense that he wouldn't want to get involved in anything meaningful, much less think about getting married again, given that he still has a tense relationship with his ex-wife Amber Heard. There were reports that Johnny was dating his attorney Camille Vasquez throughout the jury trial against Amber, but she promptly denied the claims. However, soon after, it emerged that Johnny was dating Joel Rich, another lawyer with whom he had previously collaborated when he was fighting the Sun. The two were originally connected in the fall of 2022, but their relationship didn't seem serious. She is in a challenging situation because she is going through a divorce with her husband. Additionally, there is a geographic distance. In contrast to Johnny, who lives in Los Angeles, but frequently travels for work, Joel has a well-known career and is based in the United Kingdom. Despite not representing him, sources claim Joel was aiding him in his case against Amber and would even attend the trial. However, their relationship ended quite fast. It was rumored that they had split up after a few months. After his